morning mga ka-adventure. Ito na. Samahan niyo kami sa aming agahan o almusal.
Welcome back mga ka-adventure. Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Another day, another adventure. Samahan niyo po kami sa adventure na ating pong ginawa. Sa day 2 ng amin tayo. Ang agad ako ng Alupihan. Hinatid natin pabalik sa bayan si Sean. At ang muling pagkikita namin ni Vince. No? Kaya tara, samahan niyo kami sa buong kaganapan ng adventure natin ginawa. Let's go!
Delicious. I can taste the love.
Ako na lang natira mga adventures at ang ulo ko. Agad pa ako ng Alupihan. No? Nagilan na rin ako ng Advil. So mamaya sana umukay pakiramdam ko para makababa tayo. Wala, nabigla tayo eh. Walang tulog tapos sobrang pagod. Ay, balik na. Ay. Okay naman.
Kakatambanan ang surahan. Sibuyas kamatis. Siguro yan. Ay. Ganyan na yung mag-isprehan yung baba.
Tayo.
Kami
na pala. Kain kami.
Adventure. Ikain na lang natin to. Pero sa porbawan nyo niya, muli na lang to. Mingaw daw sinitin, mingaw. Mingaw.
Mahaw.
Sayang. Sayang ganda ng panahon.
Mahaw.
Mahaw no eh. Ay, mahaw.
Pero malagay mong buya bong ibilin rin malagay nimo. Ibilin mo malagay mong buya.
Ay, laban na buya.
Adventure. Uwi na lang kami. Hindi rin magandang pakiramdam ni Sean. Let's go back. Bawi next time. Hindi man kami masyado nag-enjoy mga ka-adventures gawa ng maraming mga aberya ang nangyari, pero we're still thankful sa Panginoon sa safe ng aming pong pagdayo.
Kaon to guys. Pati gutom na tayo guys. Gutom ba guys?
Yun nga mga ka-adventure, hoping na sa ating muling pagdayo at muling pagsabak ay kapiling na natin ang ating bagong pana na sa ganun eh makahuli na tayo ng mga mamaw at dati tinitignan lang natin ng mga malaking isda. Karang galay ni mo ha?
Ibaligyan ka na eh. Kabawi mo squad. Basta may nakuha nyo dito.
Meter naman ta.
Dagan-dagan na. Sige lang, tunga lang minsan.
Meter bita ta.
Hello. Magandang hapon mga ka-adventure. Ito na. Ang huli ni Joy Adventure. Galing sila sa Dayo sa Nangalaw. Ito. 6 na praso, 3 labahita, 2 lapo. Tapos isang puti ang maliit. Yung iba bininta natin sa nag-ice ba. 2 kawayan ng malaki, 2 lipi, 1 lapu-lapu, saka 1 bayang lamia. Okay, abangan lang ninyo mamayang gabi mga ka-adventure. Rito na i-marinate natin ito bago prituhin. Okay. Ay po. Ito mga ka-adventure. Labahita. Ibaho-baho natin. Para bukas to. Ito ibitin natin ito may asinan tapos ibitin. Para na. Na labahita, nakabitin ako. Yan ang tinatawag na baho-baho. Ayan, 2. Yan.
buong paminta.
bisyo. Itong lapo-lapo. Ayan.
Ayun mga adventure, isang mapagpalang gabi po sa ating lahat. Grabe hanggang ngayon, sakit pa rin ng ulo ko. Siguro ano, nabigla. Grabe yung
Tapos
exhaustion.
timbangan nga ibutang ba ang
Let's eat. Tikman natin tong anong luto ni mother. Escabeche. Escabeche. Bro, this is the local sweet and sour.
Looks delicious.
Yep, it is. It's cooked with love. The main ingredients.
Wala isudit sa dito inan at ila. Migno, kay kuan man.
Ano man?
Ketchup man ang gamit sa ila.
That smells really good too.
Lang, trapuhan natin ito mga adventure. Yun! Liwanag na. There you go.
Si Mang gibantayan natin.
ano ito yun eh?
Oh, toyo.
You good? Is it good?
Yeah, delicious. I can taste the love.
It's the main key, bro.
Isa rin kay kuan.
Ma'am, kawal ma'am. Ano ka mama, ma'am? Naman.
Jip, jipe. Dari kin. Nakasangat pa konti eh. Kita at video.
Coral trout.
This is coral trout, you said?
I think that one is, yeah, that one you're holding. It's coral trout maybe. Ano sige ko mo ba? Ang sunod tanan o nag-indangan po ka? Indangan?
Sa yung
That's the surgeon.
gitaguan ang
The
kuan.
surgeon fish.
Gitaguan ang unod.
Hindi na nga pwede persohon yung indangan. Sa
Bungkag.
mukhang nga sa.
Tibuok na niya sa gitabo. Darang labahitan niya. Itong bahaw.
Yeah.
The hassle, I'm good.
Good morning mga ka-adventure. Kain pa tayo. And lapit na ako sa Kinilaw. Malapit yung Kinilaw. Nagkilaw si Chairman. Nagbais ng galonggong. Ano si Sian? Kinilaw din siya. Good morning.
Shout out sa Kinilaw.
Fish out there. The surgeon fish is hung. Let's eat.
Wala baka itong labahita. Tudlo. Undangan ba? Morning mga ka-adventure. Ito na. Samahan niyo kami sa aming agahan o almusal. Ito. May kinilaw tayo. Wow. May pritong galunggong at saka labahita. Yan. Yan ang kinilaw. May bisita kami. Yan. Yan, si Joy Adventure.
Wala lang usap. No.
Alam. Labi kayong kinilaw na bay.
Go na kayo mga adventure. Second day. Third day. Grabe. Nakakami ng panahon.
Surahan po. Po.
And high tide.
Ilang piraso surahan po?
Dugso.
Dugso dire.
Dugso. O yan nun. Katsawanon.
Dahil naida kong bato di ba na babot.
Lalo ko ba to? Yeah. Katong bago mo. Oo. Sa ilaw man kasata. $400 po again from CC. Kapi pa ng aking balikat. Bakit? Kulo ko na alupihan yun. Yan na ako dito. Centipede man. Kasi nakagat ako ng alupihan. What? Bro, I'm gonna be a centipede man. Because I've been bitten by a centipede.
It's gonna grow a bunch of arms.
They're still here. See?
You grow a bunch of arms, you can take more spear guns down with you and get more fish.
Yeah. No need to worry to load a gun.
Yeah,
There's
exactly. Yeah.
There's so many helping hands, you know? Imagine you have 100 arms. Uy, agos ah. This is Native Tunnels area, so
This time mga ka-adventure ay kinokondisyon na lang po natin yung sitwasyon siya kasi hindi nga siya masyado nakapag-equalize at medyo sinisipon siya. At the same time ako ay hindi pa rin talaga totally magaling. Gawa nga ng tayo ay nakagat nga ng alupihan dun sa aming dayo sa laot. At sa ating una pong pagsisid ay pinuntahan natin yung spot na sinabi ni Native Channel na meron tayong malaking bato at kung saan dito siya dinaanan ng maraming talakitok at tumira din ng King Mac na hindi niya rin nakuha, sayang. Target lock sa isang good size na mga ka-adventure na Harlequin Sweet Lips at ito ang ating naging pinakaunang isda sa araw na ito.
Gamay kayo! Ay, nakita ko yan ako may tinanga.
Sa panibagong sisid ay nakita ulit ako ng panibagong lipty. Mas malaki ng konti doon sa nahuli natin. Kaya lang, masyado ako na-excite na pull ko kagad yung trigger na hindi pa natin na-meet masyado yung distansya. Kaya pagka-reload ay sumisid kagad ako mga ka-adventure at hinanap ko yung lipty. Pero hindi ko siya makita, gawa nga ng hindi ko dala-dala yung flashlight, pero natanaw ko itong lobster kaya kinuha ko na rin. Duaan ba? Kahit kumayan ang gini, mabalik. Naloob niya pala. Sa atin namang palibagong pagsisid ay sayang itong malaking coral trout or lapu-lapu mga ka-adventure.
medyo daplis yung pagkakatama kaya siguro napunit po yung laman kaya ang resulta ay nakawala. Napakaamo pa naman sana, nakaharap lang sa atin.
Next time, enjoy my joy adventure.
Yeah.
Back to the Outpost Hostel, hang out for a little bit here in Corone, and I'll be back again soon.
Alright. But again, yeah, I'll just let you know when I get there in town.
Yeah,
I
definitely
just
let me know.
really need to do something over here, and maybe tomorrow I'll be going right there.
Yeah, definitely let me know. I'll take you out to dinner or something while we're out there.
Yeah.
Or while you're out there.
Yeah, because on 30th we also have another schedule. We're gonna be going to El Nido
Okay.
with the Big Dream Boatman. Alright, so Kuya will take you there, and then my uncle will gonna take you back to the town, okay?
Awesome.
So, again. Alright.
Right back. My time with Joy Adventure was awesome. Thank you very much, my man.
Ayan mga adventures, sa magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. At nandito tayo sa isang resort dito sa Busuanga. Ang lugar po ay Puerto del Sul. Ang ganda ng sunset. Tapos dyan sa unahan, nandyan din yung BBL. At nandito po tayo dahil meron tayong imimit na kaibigan. Matagal na nating inaantay yung kanyang pagbabalik. At syempre super excited dahil sabi nga natin na anything na ginagawa natin ay we invest on people, no? Dito ay hindi lang basta kaibigan kundi tinuturing natin kapamilya, no? Hindi man natin kadugo pero kapatid. Ayan, so sige, surprise you later kung sino yung bisita na minute natin dito. Nag-try pa tayo mula sa bayan, no? Pero again, ganoon pa man, it's worth. Kaya tara, go. Island boy. Island boy. Yeah. Woo! Have fun. Fin snow. All right. Kumusta?
Okay lang.
Welcome aboard to Gypsy.
MY Gypsy.
Gypsy.
A little bit messy now because we were just finished diving area. So,
It's been a dream but now come true.
come on, show you.
Show you the road place.
This door is closed.
How are you?
Let's climb a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
The other side, in the front, not here, in the front.
Wait. That's okay. Wow. From Bajira.
That's a nice place.
Best spot you can ever ask for.
Dry off in between dives, snorkeling,
Grabe.
scuba diving. Very nice.
That's our dream.
Oh yeah.
Maybe one
Still,
day.
yeah.
One day.
Yeah, this is for business, but that's the dream. For business and the dream, yeah. Grabe. It's been an honor to be here.
Yeah. We have some.
I may kiss the boat, you know.
a lot of free divers that want to come on the boat as well.
Oh really?
Yes. St. Luke's last kitchen.
Uh-huh.
Here we have TV, kitchen, two chefs, Mark.
You usually open this one to where you can walk up. And we also water maker.
We have water maker, so we make our water from sea water.
Yeah. It's a
Oh, really?
water maker, yes.
Yes.
It's a water maker. Okay, wait. Saan ka din ang operas? Wait, limit.
They are actually now preparing for the next trip.
For the next trip? Oh, okay.
Yeah, for the next trip. So medyo, paano pa siya? Missing.
Let's see what's inside.
Of course, we need to have Santo Niño.
Yeah.
Very important.
Yeah.
Very important.
Santo Niño, you need to have.
So these are the rooms.
All this hallway here on this side is a crew.
Crew.
All crew.
Rooms, yeah.
So we have more crew than guests.
Yeah. Yes, more crew than
So the guest stays where?
Guest.
guest.
To the branch of the room.
Hey, you're so messy here.
A little bit messy, but
Yeah, so messy here. Sorry, guys.
Wow.
So messy here.
sorry, we were fixing the light
I'm
earlier.
sorry.
That's okay.
Okay.
And
Especially the toilet. The most important
every
part.
room has a private toilet.
Hey, sorry, we are missing a little bit.
No. It's not missing.
Trying.
That's why no the brand.
Yeah, no different.
Yeah. Grabe,
Wish
no?
we can show you the master bedroom. You can show. Alright.
Thank you, Paula.
Paula. Thank you. So that's the what's it? The extreme one.
Executive suite.
Executive suite.
Thank you so much.
Say, thank you for letting us in.
Oh, you're welcome. I got my wet beans.
Yeah, this is the nice one.
Yeah, so
Ice drop.
there's a shower in here and a CR in there, so it's like very
Oh,
fancy.
it's
Fancier than my
different
house.
together.
Yeah.
You usually have only this one,
Yeah.
but this time both.
Shower, bathroom,
So
private.
you have a private abode. Thank you, Paulo.
Thank you, Paula.
Thank you so much.
Hey, this is a little bit of upgrade from our banca days, huh?
Yeah.
Joy is actually one of our friends during the expedition.
It's nice
like a
to meet
bangka.
you.
Nice
And
meeting you,
Paula. Very
Paula.
nice to meet
Enjoy. Little upgrade from the usually boat we're using during the expedition, but this is really, really.
Hey, let's go
Way.
to Tumor Palette.
Don't balit with this.
But no.
Nah.
Sorry.
No.
I wish.
No.
Banca.
Bangka, yes. No, maybe the dream. The dream yet there.
Okay.
Alright,
This one, oh.
yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. Because still, no, the Manpalit is still the best one.
It is the best.
Yeah.
And we should camp overnight next time.
And yeah, until today, lots of people were asking how to get there.
Difficult.
It is.
Has to
And-
be the good weather. September, I thought was the best with the Habagat.
Yeah, but again, nowadays,
I'm just gonna sneak by.
nowadays, it's kind of hard to predict because you know the changes of
It's been western winds, southwest, even north, just in the last 10 days.
front seat and the pilot at the same time. Yeah, and with the view, with everything.
What do you call this bay?
This is usually like
But it's good to know that they'll come back.
yeah, probably like Busuanga Bay, something like that. That's why.
Yeah,
they
because
visit
Busuanga Bay Lodge.
Yes.
Yeah, Busuanga Bay is probably the right name.
A little glimpse of Gypsy and looking forward to Pampon again one day and doing some other things. Yeah, Chris?
Hey, good to welcoming you on board. Very
Yeah.
good. Coron is really amazing. We love it. The wrecks and especially the wrecks are covered now already with corals, with black corals, with tapered corals. Black Island is absolutely sceneries. Either we was able to fly today with Raymond, with the seaplane in front of us. It's amazing.
I'll send you the flag so you can put it in the video.
Very good.
I'm waiting.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Yeah.
Yeah.
We rock.
You rock.
We rock. Listen, that. Hey, rock the show.
Alright, so uwi na mga adventure. Grabing ganda ng yate. And yeah, we don't know. Baka one day, kasama tayo mag-explore. Hindi lang natin alam. Hindi natin pwede sabihin, pero again, isa sa ating mga privileges when you invest in people, no? Ayan, shoutout pala dito sa Marina del Sur, isang napakagandang accommodations. Yun, no? The perfect view of sunset. So sige, akit tayo dito sa kanilang bar at tayo magpapaalam na. ito yung kanilang main lobby mga ka-adventure. So usually, Marina del Bay or Marina del Sul is really talagang known for ito, yung scene na yan. Alright. So time to go na. Let's go.
That's it for today's adventure po. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. At hindi na tayo magkanda ugaga sa mga schedule mga ka-adventure. Kaya medyo hindi pa tayo nakakabalik sa pamamana. Pero we'll be there soon. Kaya maraming salamat. To God be the glory and God bless us all.